So since the one box of filters that I showed for the combine was 400 bucks, this, knowing John Deere, this little piece of foam insert here was, this is the one that goes underneath the windshield, or the not the windshield, the back of the cab there. It goes back here where this is all falling apart and coming out and everything. And this, we got a new little vent for the one down here that got broke out. We don't know how it happened, but we got another one of those. That was probably a $20 part. Let's see what we got going here. Hang on just a minute. They don't usually tell how much it is, but it goes all the way over there. They're not too hard to try them to put in, but it needs to be replaced and to make the tractor usable again. They're not, it don't affect the usability of it. It's just for creature comforts, and this is gonna need replaced eventually, but it is what it is. Those were the ones I was talking about, just the engine oil filters, no air or anything. Just all the oils, hydraulic oil, transmission oil for the hydrostatic, engine oil, water separator, fuel water separator. 400 bucks is what it came out to be for just oil, fuel, and water filters. So unfortunately, knowing John Deere, knowing Ag Pro, 600 bucks in filters. Yeah, I know it's ridiculous, but there's probably fuel filter, oil filter, 2 cab filters. And that's a bushing of some sort. Why it's in there. And then this is probably a oil filter? Maybe? I don't know. Or fuel filter? Oil filter maybe? Maybe, because it's long and skinny. Bet you that's what that thing is. But that's what, yeah. Maybe 600-700 bucks in filters. I don't know. Any of you guys know for the Cummins 8.3, is that an 8.3? I don't think it is. 22 gallon of engine oil is what it takes to do the engine oil. So that's what's going to be happening this week. We're going to be just, giving this tractor some TLC, tender loving care. That cab piece there, like I said in the other video, I don't care to have the tires pushed in on this thing. I know Pete likes having them pushed in for his sprayer, but I feel they throw mud worse being pushed in than they do when they were out. Because if I remember right, this edge of tire was somewhere between halfway and on the inside of that reflector there, I think. Don't quote me on that. But I want to try and take to this cab corner that I boogered up with the spray, or the bush hog. Maybe try and take some silicone and maybe booger that thing back up. All it is just a piece of molding. I don't know what else he wants to do this thing. I know oil change this week, but I don't know. He did say we could haul manure in the mornings if it was froze, but yeah, I don't know. Just depends on the ground conditions.